The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, Beverly, big up yourself. You see it? Yeah, big up yourself, Beverly. Ray and Jason, big up on yourself. Alright? So in this video, we're going to take a look at pieces of videos that have been brought to my attention. Alright? I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that shows what happened when police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to a place that is located somewhere within Trinidad and Tobago and shut down a party. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, some places on social media it is said that these pieces of videos shows what happened when police went to a house or a premises that is located somewhere within Trinidad and Tobago and shut down a party. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, we are going to take a look at these pieces of videos and see who was wrong from who was right. You see me? And you know, you can let me know what I think about these pieces of videos as well. Alright, so let's take a look at these pieces of videos and then we'll talk a little bit more. Alright, now before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
And then come to me.
Kendall, come so.
I join our opinion. If they feel the shit, I'll go and make a report and do what I want with all this police. Because watch, look, behind what? Under the officer, I did not see you.
Take. All the come at my warrant in my place.
And we do not please.
Police like any officer.
And watch, just only conduct in public. Arrest me.
I am not paying no this is a phone box phone. My sound system is off. I am a sound
Police, I give them the respect, right? I give them respect. Don't tell me to lower my voice because I join our opinion. Under the after serious.
I don't call my officer already. Because you see all these people here, this is how they work. And when my private property officer, I want to leave you. I'm going to go to see you. No disrespect, no disrespect. I would like 20 officers to leave my private.
Can you all leave my premises, please?
Can
you leave my premises, officer? Without a word, can you please leave my premises? I would like to give my badge number, please, officer.
I got something to say. If I with my family, I don't want to play to drink or some food. What family have you said?
No, this is my premises. No, you are talking me because all it's supposed to be out
By the
road. Well, I have my premises. Officer, can I have your name and your badge number? This is my responsibility. I am not going to Officer, can you export your information in my property, please? I am not in charge of no house.
Miss Samuel.
Export yourself off of my property, please. Export yourself off of my property, please.
Officer, no disrespect. No, come and tell me. Forward.
Listen to you.
Officer, can you export yourself off of our property, please? And nobody is touching. He wants to say wait, what?
Who? No, don't go in the road.
Niggas. No, don't go in the road, niggas. Stay in your yard. Niggas! Niggas, stay in your yard! Niggas, stay in your yard, boy! Stay in your yard, boy! Stay in your yard, boy! Stay in your yard! Look at wax! Them niggas, stay in your yard! Stay in your yard! Niggas, don't come out the road, eh?
I can take lock, you know why?
Stay in your yard!
Listen. Law is it against what law am I doing? What law am I doing?
Niggas!
I am a right to talk, right? I'm a right to talk by. Public nuisance is what by. Come on now, big man. He's a big man. You know the right to. You know that. No, he's talking. Nobody.
Oh, you want to fight the police in charge of the whole division? Or you
fighting that. No, we fighting nothing.
I fight. The government just abusing the power right now.
Nobody do nothing.
In your house! In your house! In your whole house! In your house!
Those study no talk and no call and no
Man to man. Yeah, but all I know the law too. All I'm not supposed to be in my premises. I have a deed for you, know. No, but all supposed to be over there. You see that road there? What? Oh, but the nuisance is residential, and here's not a residential. No, the officer tried to look my blast.
Niggas! No.
Will you arrest me? Right. Come on, man. So when I get married, you going to play music, you going to call myself. When you're going to get married, who you going to call? When you're going to get married, or a child birthday party or somebody, who you going to call? I don't understand. Well, I try to understand the law.
Don't touch me, boy. Move from here now.
Disturbing your apartment, right? Look at like 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. What is it?
The man talk hard, man. The man only talk hard.
Yes, but I don't like to ask you tonight.
Come not
And upon the real being,
Let me say, ma'am, listen to me. Let's stop this music and stop disturbing the public, please.
We're not disturbing no public, boy.
Officer, we inside.
Nobody doing that.
We inside.
Nobody doing that.
But we inside. We inside in the yard. But look how we take off the big music just now and we put on something lower and they still have a problem. We inside. Listen to me, officer. When it is people are wrong, them playing the music every day. Over there calling. Over there.
Big man, all in the here, everybody who are wrong here living right. Any party here right now. And it's about the party, boy.
police. On the record.
I respect what you say.
So on the record. So I can't celebrate about the party. Police, you can't draw your opinion to
Offenses, right?
it's not only
But you see when people call in here,
public nuisance.
But what about when people playing the music and nobody are calling? Why they doing that? Why they doing that?
Draw your opinion on because police and the problem. By the way, you ask me because
Yes, sir, because it's just for the right there. It's a birthday party, boy. You come good there.
That small box and I just put it by my phone.
Big man, I like how you come out there. You come out with more respect now, boy. Big man, yeah.
Only watch how much police watch how much police stop the music now. Watch how much police. They're running here like it's something.
No, I don't business.
Nah, that's when early lights and shit.
Everybody having a mask here.
Nah, that's when early lights and
What is that? Parade and thing. Don't stay in that.
Don't abuse the authority now, man.
Yeah, it's off, everything off.
You wanna come back? You wanna come?
The guys are mad. When I come one time, I mean, what I do with that?
Alright, you don't wanna come back, boss. Boss, you don't wanna come back.
I think we got a match now for we so we know man right now.
Well, hush now, don't talk that. Against penal police.
Because I sure them other fighters say they go to a final.
Viewers and subscribers and our reels still do, you know. You have good police officers and you have bad police officers out there still, you know. You see me I say? That's my point of view. You see me I say? You see, at least 2 of the police officers are shown in these pieces of videos. I think they are good police officers. You understand? Just the way how they talk to persons shown in these pieces of videos and so on. That's why I said so. But you see, there are a few things that I saw and heard in these pieces of videos that I question. That's what I'm saying to you. And one of the main thing I question is about the party that was being kept. You see me? Now, I am not sure how the law stay within Trinidad and Tobago. I'm not sure what the law is like there. You see me? It's not like I am living in Trinidad and Tobago to know exactly every rules and law there. You see me? But you know, I'm questioning a point. I'm questioning something where if persons who live in a yard and if they are family members and if they are keeping a party amongst themselves, that's what I'm saying to you. I'm wondering if that is against the law. You know, I'm just wondering. I'm not saying. You see me? I say, and I'm not here to encourage anyone to do anything wrong. You see me? Because with the whole COVID-19 thing, many places within the world, they are not allowing persons to keep parties out there. So therefore, I'm making it clear that I'm not saying that persons can keep party. No, I'm not saying that. You see me? I say, I'm just asking the question if it is really okay for family members who live in the same yard to have a party and enjoy themselves within them yard or their yard. You see what I'm saying to you, as some persons might say, you see me? Because, you know, the reason why I'm asking that is because they already live in that yard or in that house. You understand? And so if they within that yard or that house decide to keep a party among themselves, I'm wondering if that is okay. But then again, no. The loud noise, you see me, that's another thing. If the noise is really too loud, then that's another law or rule that might have been broken. You understand? So there's a lot of things that I really look at when it comes down to these pieces of videos. So me I said to you, you see me? You can let me know what you think about some of the things that I just pointed out. Yes, I mean I said to you, yeah, you can let me know what you think about the pieces of videos that I presented to you. Yes, I mean I said, yeah. But however still, viewers and subscribers, I want to encourage each and everyone out there that they should do their best to protect themselves from the COVID-19. Yes, what I'm saying to you, yeah, wash your hands, you know, wear your mask. You see me? Don't bother with the whole heap of gathering thing. Don't keep no parties and gathered persons together and all these things. You see me? Because it can be dangerous for you. You understand? And it can be dangerous for others out there. You understand? So, you know, I'm going to encourage each and every one out there. Everyone, I'm encouraging each and every one to follow the necessary protocols or procedures to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. You see me? Do as your health ministers within your countries are telling you to do as they tell you to do. Yes, what I said to you, or do as the World Health Organization tell you to do. You understand? Don't go against it. I mean, they're trying to see if they can get rid of this virus that is affecting the whole world, in my point of view. You understand? So, you know, just do your best to protect yourself from the COVID-19. Do not keep no parties and do not have no large gatherings, and wear your mask and wash your hands and keep yourself clean at all times. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it here, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a video. You see me? Yeah, the bird them sound nice outside him. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla.